How to add picture on Instagram after posting. So to do that, all you have to do now, after you open your Instagram app like this, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, now you can be able to see all your Instagram posts in this session. Now go ahead and open the image that you want to edit or a picture that you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this one. So now tap on this. As you can see, now tap on this three dot at the top right side of the image. This one, this three dot. After you tap on this three dot now, scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says edit section. After you tap on this edit, as you can see now it will give you option to add a description under the image. You can tag people on it and you can edit. As you can see now, like add, you can be able to add text on the image. So you can be able to add like location on the image, but you can't be able to edit the image itself. As you can see now, there is no option for you to edit the image itself. All you have to do now, I'll show you the last option for you to edit. Now tap on this cancel button. So now tap on this three dot again. After you tap on the three dot at the top right side of the image, so now scroll to down and tap on this archive. If I tap on this archive button now, I can be able to hide the image on my Instagram profile. Nobody can be able to see the image. So now you can go ahead and edit the image and upload your image with the edition that you want to make on it. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.